Okay guys, yesterday we talked about kilometers and meters, and today where I couldn't be here, I thought I would videotape the lesson for you. Today we're going to be going over meters and centimeters, and we're going to be working out how to do those kinds of problems. So, as we talked about yesterday, 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. So, if we have 1 meter here, just like I wrote here, 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. 3 meters, I'm going to do the same thing I did here. I'm going to add 2 zeros to whatever is in the meters place, and that's going to make centimeters. 3 meters is the same as 300 centimeters. How many zeros do I have to add in order to go from meters to centimeters? The answer is add 2 zeros each time. So if I start out with 80, I'm going to add 2 more zeros, and then 1, 2, 3, comma goes right there. 80 meters is the same as 8,000 centimeters. This example goes from centimeters to meters. How many zeros would I have to take off in order to make this turn from centimeters to meters? Well, if I had to add 2 zeros in order to go from one direction to the other, in order to go here, I would have to take away 2 zeros. So I'm going to cross off 1 zero, cross off 2 zeros. If I want to have 12,000 centimeters, it's the same as 120 meters. Okay, hopefully you guys are with me so far. We're going to go to the next section. In this section, the only thing they do differently is they put the meters and the centimeters together. Well, I'm going to make a little cheat chart over here. On our chart, we have meters. We have not learned about what this is called yet. This place is for 10 of these would equal 1 of these, but we haven't learned about it yet. Centimeters comes right here, and we have not learned about that yet either. But now we have our little place value chart, and we can see that this would be 1, this would be 100, so as you go over you add zeros. Well, if I have 3 meters and 56 centimeters, 3 meters, and when you do 56, whatever number is right in front of the centimeter needs to be in the centimeter column. So 56, same thing as 356 centimeters. If I have 14 meters, I'm going to put 14 in the meters column. I'm going to put 8 in the centimeters column. I can't leave this blank. We need to fill that in with a 0. So 14 meters and 8 centimeters is 1,408 centimeters. For this one, I'm going to put 120 right here. And 46, remember that 6 needs to be in the centimeters place. The 4 goes here. So 120 meters, 46 centimeters is the same as 12,046 centimeters. Go on to the next section. In this section, we are not only doing centimeters and meters, but we're also doing subtracting. Remember, what I told you yesterday was, if you're adding, sometimes you can put your meters together, put your centimeters together, and do it that way. But when you're subtracting, you have to convert it all to one thing. So in other words, convert it all to meters or convert it all to centimeters, and then subtract. In this case, we're going to convert them all to centimeters. So 1 meter, 15 centimeters is the same as, here's 1 meter, 15 centimeters, 115 minus 34 centimeters. 5 minus 4 is 1. Can't do 1 minus 3, so I'm going to cross out this one, make it a 0. That one becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is an 8. So my answer is 81 centimeters. I'm going to circle it so we can see it as the answer. This question has another direction. It says, express your answer in the smaller unit. Well, which one's smaller, meters or centimeters? Centimeters is the smaller unit, so when we finish, we're going to make sure that it's all in centimeters. So I'm going to take care of that first by starting out putting everything in centimeters. So I have 231 meters and 31 centimeters. So the 3 goes there, the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3. So this is 23,131 centimeters. And then here I have 14 meters and 48 centimeters. 1,448 centimeters. Put your line, put your minus sign, and subtract. Can't do 1 minus 8, can't do 3 minus 4, can't do 1 minus 4. Cross out the 3, put a 2, that becomes 11. Now it's 10, that's 13. Cross out the 13, put a 12, 11. 11 minus 8 is 3, 12 minus 4 is 8, 10 minus 4 is 6, 2 minus 1 is 1, and bring down the 2. So is this now in the smallest unit? Yes, it's all in centimeters. 21,683 centimeters. 67 kilometers. Now this one goes back to kilometers and meters. Remember that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Remember that if we were going to do this in a chart, you could go and get a place value chart to do this. You've got your kilometers, which has 3 zeros. Meters is over here. That's like the ones place. You've got your tens place and your hundreds place right here, right? So if we've got 67 kilometers, I'm going to put 67 over here. 230 meters. The zero's got to be in the meters place. That's how many meters I have. 67,230. Then I have 11 kilometers. Here's the 11. 879 meters. 11,879. Subtract. 0 minus 9 we can't do. 3 minus 7 we can't do. 2 minus 8 we can't do, but we can do 7 minus 1. Cross out the 7, make it a 6. 12, 11, 13 is now 12, and 10. 1, 12 minus 7 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring down your comma. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 6 minus 1 is 5. There's the answer to that problem. Now, let's look at our word problems. And today, we're only going to do the ones that involve meters and centimeters, so we're going to do number 4 first. Now, some of you may have done this one yesterday, but we're going to do it again to review it because we didn't have much time to talk about problem solving. So when you do these, you're always going to start by doing a tape diagram. Yesterday's problem was that you did not do your tape diagram, so you kind of missed a step. So we've got Carter's driveway. There's his driveway right here. They tell us how long it is. It's 12 meters, 38 centimeters. Okay. Here's our meters. Remember, we don't know what this is yet. Centimeters is right here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, and going in the other direction, right? So we have 12 meters and 38 centimeters. So this equals 1,238 centimeters. Okay? His neighbor's driveway is 4 meters, 99 centimeters longer. So here's his neighbor's driveway. And this is 4 meters, 99 centimeters longer. Now we're going to put that into centimeters. So 4 meters, 99. That's the same thing as 499 centimeters. So now we can see that in order to find out how big his neighbor's driveway is, we need to add these two numbers, right? So 499, 1,238, it's 17, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, bring down your comma, and there's your answer. 1,737 centimeters long. Okay, We're going to skip this one because it's kilometers and meters. We're not going to worry about those today, but we are going to do number 6 because that is also about meters and centimeters. So, Rachel has a rope. It's 5 meters, 32 centimeters long. So here's her rope. Tape diagram first. 5 meters, 32 centimeters, which is the same thing as 532 centimeters. Then she cut it into 2 pieces, so one piece is 249 centimeters long. We want to know how long is the other piece. Well, we've got a total, a long piece and a short piece. We need to subtract. Can't do 2 minus 9 or 3 minus 4. Cross out the 5, put a 4, 13 becomes 12, 12. This is 3, 8, 2. The other piece is 283 centimeters long. All right, you are now going to begin your homework. Mrs. Forbes will be there to help you if you need help, and I hope that it goes well today. Anything that you do not finish, you can bring home for homework. Don't forget to use your place value chart for help if it is needed. Thank you.